Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here coming 3. Look, 2. Look. 1. Bye. Bye. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Yes, indeed. The greatest show on earth. Indeed, it's the greatest show in the multiverse. Bah! Someone's got to do it. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. It's a volunteer job. All right. We have a great show, and we have a great show for you. Bye! Today. All right. We have a great show for you today. Hope everyone had a great weekend. It was my little boy. All right. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Have a great show for you today. Bye. Yes. Oh, we're just kind of in full consolidation mode, aren't we? I mean, some things are blasting off and whatnot, but consolidation. That's how it goes, brothers. Big blast for a few months. Consolidate. That's how markets do. That's how they be. That's how they get down. All right, anyways, today's stories. VeChain onboards Ubitquity for title industry. So, bang, real estate. Told you, man, I think blockchain and real estate go sweet together. I told you about that. So we're going to check about that. And then I'm just going to read these two stories just because they were the biggest and the most monstrous. Visa to settle transactions with USDC stablecoin. Bah! I'm going to read that. And then, this is actually a big deal. Chicago Mercantile Exchange is launching micro Bitcoin futures. Bah! Yes. Regulated investment vehicles. Regulated. Bah! And then we're going to do the shout outs and the daily summary. As per usual. So, let's proceed how we proceed with a yes. Let's head on over here. Let's even do a little bit of refresh. Just get the fresh numbers fresh. All right. Bitcoin, $59,005. All right. $59,500. All right. Well, $59,500, not $59,050. All right, anyways. Look. Oh, so we've gone. Oh, yeah, that's right. We were trying to crack 60 today earlier. Son of a bitch. Just won't go over 60. Come on, motherfucker. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't worry. It'll get there. All right. Price of Bitcoin, $59,005. When I left you on Saturday, we're at $55,972, so we've gone up. Let me see how much. $3,133. $3,133. Bah! Yes! Good for you, Bitcoin. You know what Bitcoin do? Little 3,000 up over the weekend. Ain't no thing for Bitcoin. That's how he do. That's how he be. That's how he get down. All right, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Top 10. Usual suspects. Usual band of daggone miscreants. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Cardano, Polkadot, XRP, Uniswap, Litecoin, and bang, Theta. All right, market moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down. Well, there goes Binance Coin again. Look. Binance Coin's going to be mega. If they can get regulated in countries, fuck. All right, single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Filecoin, look at you. Single this up, single this down. Single this up, single this down. BitTorrent token, look at you. Single this up, single this down. Single this up, single this down. Single this up, single this down. Oh, hollow, hot, I see. All right, single this up, single this down, too. Single this up, too. Single this down, all right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because, bang, it's on sale. It is on sale. Bang. There we go. Yeesh. All right, top 10 losers. BTMX, Voyager token, Polygon, Algorand, Digibyte, Curve, Deo token, OMG Network, Harmony, Sushi Swap, and Cello. Let's see who made money today. Bang! Top 10 gainers. Oh, yeah, some gains. Got some gains around these parts. Top 10 gainers. Hollow, BitTorrent, Ox, Nervous Network, Filecoin, Binance Coin, Dent, Thorchain, OKB, and Pancake Swap. All right. Let's see what total market cap is. Uh-oh. Pushing 2 trillion. Pushing 2 trillion. Remember this. We were at 1 trillion. Oh, just less than 60 days ago. Less than 2 months ago. We've almost doubled up. Yeah, you wonder why the shit in your portfolio is going up? Yeah, well, that's called new money. New money is entering the space. A lot of it, right? Look how many years it took us to get to 1 trillion. Yeah, we got to 1 trillion. What, last December? I remember I announced it, right? I was like, oh, we're at 1 trillion. Yeah, that was last December. Not even December, was it? Maybe January. Or this January. Yeah, we're almost doubled up already. Yeah, that's new money, baby. That's called market. Those are the fundamentals of a market. Supply and demand. More demand, well, your stuff's going to go up. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. Well, this is retail demand. Now, when smart money gets here, obviously it's going to be a little different. You better have working product in your portfolio. Yeesh, for you. You'll be left behind. But, don't worry about that. Just make sure it's making some money. Make sure you got your cryptocurrency warehouse big, bang, strong, bang, and filled with revenue-generating companies. When the analysts get here, they'll treat you right. I'll tell you right here. If your portfolio is full of dog shit not making money, just fancy websites and white papers, yeesh, you're going to be left behind, dog. Going to be left behind. All right. Where we at? All right, that's right. Market cap. So at $1.863 trillion in market cap. Well, I left you on Saturday at $1.756 trillion in market cap. So we've gone up 108. No, wait. $107.107 trillion in market cap. Look, let's see what the 24 volume is. Oh, yeah. All right. All right. Total, what do you call this? 24-hour volume. $125.1 billion. When I left you on Saturday, we're at $107.2 billion. So we've gone up. Fuck it, $18 billion. All right. Let's keep it moving. Let's get to the stories. Look. Bang. Ubitquity partners with VeChain to power global title industry. So, I've told you already how important I think blockchain and land ownership is going to be. I told you already, in India, Africa, some places, these people don't have title on their land. Those tribes have just lived there for, thousands of years, in other words, forever. And then people come and say, well, this is my land now, right? And just take it from them because there's no ownership record, right? They've just always lived there. Their ancestors have lived there, so, they don't even really deal with the government. They're just like, whatever. All right, hold on, man. I got a miscreant. Miscreant alert. I'll be right back. But, all right, so Ubitquity partners with VeChain and Power Global Title. Oh, that's right. So we were talking about the, in the third world, in Africa, India, these guys, these tribes, they just live on this land for so long, like the Dogon Indians in Africa. And then all the Indias in India, a lot of rural farmers and that, they get ripped off for their land and shit. And they can't say shit about it because they don't have the papers to show that they own the land, right? That's not how they do things. They're just tribal. Anyways, so that's why I think is going to be a good thing with blockchain and land ownership. Now, I don't think these guys are going directly into the third world here. But this is the kind of thing I'm talking about. Like I told you, I think your car is going to be tokenized one day. I think one day you're going to buy a car, and when you get the car, bang, it'll just come with a Ledger Nano with the token of your car on it, right? And when you sell the car, bang, you just give that to the next guy. Everything will be tokenized. Your house, fucking your kids, bang, slap a QR code right on your kid's ass. Yeah, as soon as that kid's born, it's crying, bang, slap a QR code right on it. Tokenize that little miscreant right there. Yeah. Hey, fucking, you get your baby in a Ledger Nano. Here you go. Your kid's NFT'd. Yeah, just NFT your kid. Just bang! QR code on the butt. NFT in the chip. Here's your kid, ma'am. Right? Instead of a birth certificate. No, of course, they got to give the certificate. Anyways, look, settle down. Now you guys are getting crazy. But seriously, right? Why not? Why not? Let's put a QR code right on his butt. Let's go. All right, guys. So, all right, I know. Global title industry. So let's check it out. This is about property. So Ubitquity. I'm just going to call it Ubitquity. I know it's Ubitquity, but I'm not getting into that. That's too hard. You know what I'm talking about. I'm just calling it Ubitquity. Fuck that. So Ubitquity, a blockchain as a service platform provider, has partnered with VeChain. The company intends to launch new products and services on the VeChain blockchain, targeting the global title industry. Who owns what? Who owns what? So Ubitquity shared more details via a blog post. Founder and CEO Nathan Wasnak expressed his optimism that the partnership will take both companies forward. He commented, Ubitquity is proud to be working with such a well-respected and forward-thinking company like VeChain, who are on the forefront of enterprise adoption of blockchain technology. Ubitquity is going to implement a solution for its long-term customer, Rainier title on the VeChain Thor public blockchain using the BaaS platform called VeChain Toolchain. So Rainier title was one of the first customers Ubitquity had. The two partnered in August last year, with the focus being on the use of blockchain in the real estate title and escrow services. Ubitquity provides a blockchain platform for issuing tokenized property titles for Rainier. These tokens allow Rainier clients to take advantage of fractionalized property ownership opportunities. Oh, yeah, this kind of shit, too. Yeah. All right, so fractionalized, so in other words, there's a property and a bunch of people own it, not just one person, right? Wasnak believes that the partnership with VeChain will open up new opportunities for its clients, especially those in the real estate industry like Rainier. He remarked, "This is a historic moment for the real estate and title industry, and it is wonderful to have such a forward-thinking partner to develop and create this vision and dream with." So Rainier is just as optimistic. CEO Bill Bergschneider said the partnership will put the firm on the forefront of how real estate transactions need to flow. So VeChain's enterprise adoption continues. Bang! Yes! Look, revenue generating. This is what you call a successful company. VeChain. No fancy web page and white papers here. Just straight onboardings, homie. Straight cash, dog. Look. So this is the latest partnership by VeChain as it continues to record increasing enterprise adoption. This year alone, dozens of companies have integrated the VeChain blockchain network as they seek to decentralize operations. They include Yisiji, a French-Chinese cosmetics company. We read about that. Aluminum behemoth Hydro. We read about that. And then a leading U.S. vape firm, Puff Bar. I think we read about that. Right? That was the first America thing they did. So as CNF reported, VeChain has established itself as the AWS of public blockchains. As one report noted, the report stated that VeChain is doing for public blockchains what AWS did for software. Toolchain, its BaaS service, blockchain as a service, has played an important role, allowing plug-and-play blockchain integration for businesses. VeChain believes that its latest partnership with Ubitquity will be just as successful. We see tremendous potential for Ubitquity's blockchain as a service, BaaS API solutions, being widely used and adopted for real-world use cases. Jason Rockwood, the VeChain U.S. General Manager, commented, so I found out VeChain is in America. VeChain has offices, where is it? In Houston. Wait, was it Houston? No. El Paso. Yeah. VeChain has offices here in America, in El Paso. Yeah, I didn't know that. Fucking Texas, though? What the fuck? And if you're going to be in Texas, fucking El Paso? Oh, hey, I mean, I don't know, sometimes you wonder what makes a company choose its its offices, El Paso, Texas, yeah. So VeChain has people here. Now they got to get some onboardings here. All right. I was happy to hear that, though. Okay, so he added the VeChain team is looking forward to working closely, with a team in digital real estate and is excited about their first client to use our technology, which is Rainier Title. We believe our product is the premium choice to achieve business objectives and to strike the best balance of decentralized finance and stringent oversight. We will be relentlessly seeking for more opportunities to add value to our ecosystem. So, the results of the partnership may come sooner than expected for Ubitquity. As it revealed on Twitter, the company received massive traffic on its website once it announced the VeChain partnership. So this is these guys. This is the Ubitquity thing. And they announced the Ubitquity thing. And here's a tweet from them. The VeChain news today caused us to receive 53,101 requests to our website at once, around 9 a.m. today. We love it. VFam is the best. Look. So anyways, though, bang. So, good stuff, you good stuff. Property, is this in America? I'm going to have to look that up. It doesn't say what country that is. Right, Rainier, it sounds French to me, but, who cares? The name of the company could be whatever. That could be the owner's name. And as we'll see, that might be in America. If that's in America, that'll be amazing. All right, so look, VeChain, bang, another partnership, bang. You know how VeChain do. Look, let's move on. Bang. Okay, so now we got to talk about these shits. All right. So Visa to settle fiat transaction with USDC on Ethereum. So I want you all to fucking calm down. Visa is not using USDC all over the place. They're using it for one customer, Crypto.com. So I think what Visa is doing is they're piloting these transactions just to see how it works, to get ready for when the CBDC stuff comes out. I mean, I'm just speculating. That's just my own thoughts. You know, I don't know. So this is only one customer, Crypto.com. But I mean, every journey starts with one step. So today it's Crypto.com. Tomorrow it's PayPal. Next day it's bang, bang, a bang, bang, bang. You know, whoever. So let's check it out. One of the world's largest payments networks is now processing fiat transactions in cryptocurrencies. Visa announced today that will allow one. So I want everyone to get that. When I first read this, I was like, what the fuck? No. It's not as big as yet. They're allowing one of its clients to make its payments in USDC, a stablecoin, while settling the transaction on the Ethereum network. Bang! But Shomari, Ethereum sucks. Ethereum is such bullshit, really? Why do companies keep using it then? You know what I mean? I've told you this a million times. These tech nerds have their arbitrary benchmarks of what they think is a good blockchain or a bad blockchain. Yeah, well, what you little tech nerds think is good is not what the IT department of a corporation thinks is good. All right? They've got different parameters than your, transactions a second and scalability and blah, blah, blah. They just want to know that your shit does what they need to be done at the price point they need it to be done at, and they're happy. Crypto nerds criticizing each other's blockchains. It's stupid. Ethereum's too expensive. Well, if you're a broke motherfucker, if you're a big company, it doesn't matter, does it? A $10 transaction ain't fuck all, is it? Look. All right. Let me get a sip. Ethereum only does 14 transactions a second. Yeah, well, if I'm an insurance company, that's all I need. All right. So Visa, which is the world's second largest card payment company, after China's UnionPay partnered with Crypto.com on the initiative. So, the one company that gets to do this is, is Crypto.com. I think of some of you guys that listen to me use Crypto.com, don't you? So anyways, the pilot project. Oh, it is a pilot. Okay. Yeah, it felt like a pilot when I heard about it. All right. When I first heard about it, I was like, oh my gosh. It's using stable coins on all its shit now. And then I found it was just one company. I was like, oh, okay. Pilot project. Okay, so the pilot project will see the cryptocurrency exchange and card issuer send USDC to Visa to settle a portion of its obligations for Crypto.com Visa card program. All right, yeah. That made sense. Now it makes sense. In its current status, Visa's standard settlement process requires all its partners to settle in fiat currency, regardless of which sector the partners operate in. As the payment giant noted in its press release, this can be costly and unnecessarily complex for cryptocurrency companies. So, Jack Forstall, Visa's executive VP, commented, crypto-native fintechs want partners who understand their business and the complexities of digital currency form factors. Visa also brought in Anchorage, the first federally chartered digital asset bank on the pilot, pledging to avail the service to more companies later this year. The ability to sell USDC can ultimately help Crypto.com and other crypto-native companies evaluate fundamentally new business models without the need for traditional fiat in their treasury and settlement workflows, Visa noted. So the announcement today marks a major milestone in our ability to address the needs of fintechs managing their business in a stablecoin or cryptocurrency. Visa gets deeper into cryptocurrencies. Visa's supremacy in the card payments industry can't be overstated. While UnionPay leapfrogged it in transactions volume a few years back, of course, well, China is fucking 1/5 of the world are Chinese. The Chinese firm gets a majority of its business in its home country. Of course, man. If you sew up even just China, you've surpassed everybody, motherfucker. All right, China and India. Remember this. If you're new here, China, India, each country is 1/5 of the world's population. 1 in 5 people on earth are Chinese. 1 in 5 people on earth are Indian. From India, those kind of Indians. India Indians. Yeah. The rest of us are sprinkled in. 40% of the earth are just those 2 countries. Oh my God. If they ever decided like, yo, man, let's take over the world. Like Germany always tries it. The Germans, they try to do a world war. They've tried too. Not unsuccessfully, obviously. We're still here. I'm still speaking English. Yeah, but if those guys were like, look, why don't we just get together and fucking take this place over? They could. If they put a gun in every one of their citizens' hands and just said, let's fucking just mow down Earth. Yeah, you couldn't stop them. You'd have to nuke them. Like, you'd literally have to just fucking nuke every fucking city and everywhere because there's too many of them. Yeah, I was reading this. I was watching this military thing about that, and this American general, he's like, and even when I was in the Army, they told us the same thing. Just, like the only military who were afraid of, well, they didn't say India, they said China. Because, we have stealth fighters. We have the best stealth fighters and everything. But, so we would send 5 stealth fighters. Yeah, they'll send 50 fighters to fucking get us. Because they have so many, right? All right, look, let's skip back to crypto crap. How are we talking about these guys? Oh, the Chinese firms. Oh, because China, right. China's UnionPay, right. So while UnionPay leapfrogged, holy, how did we get from payments to warfare? While that was a transition. I'm gonna watch this video again. I'm gonna see how we got there. Whew, my mind went, look. While UnionPay leapfrogged in its transaction volume a few years back, the Chinese firm gets a majority of its business in its home country. Globally, Visa controls over 50% of the debit card and credit card market. But while cryptocurrencies are becoming ever so popular, Visa has sought to position itself. Yes, market positioning. So this channel is about. Visa has sought to position itself strategically. Yes. To ensure it doesn't lose its market share. Daggone right. The U.S. company has continued to integrate digital assets into its system while partnering with dozens of cryptocurrency companies. Yes. David Puth, the CEO of Center, the consortium that oversees the issuance of the USDC stablecoin, remarked on Visa's growing influence in the cryptocurrency industry, stating, Visa is leading the market with its innovative approach to payments in many forms. We're very impressed with their efforts. So Crypto.com became the latest to join the Visa Global Network 2 weeks ago. Other members include Coinbase, BlockFi, Nexo, and Binance. Yes. So look, as per local reports in South Korea, Visa is also trying to get into the cryptocurrency exchange sector. Oh, exchange sector? How? The company was reportedly one of the global firms that have been eyeing a stake, in Bithumb, South Korea's second largest exchange. I thought someone just bought that the other day. Anyways, in the long run, Visa is seeking to get into the central bank digital currencies game. Bang! Coy Sheffield the head of cryptocurrencies at VeChain, stated recently, as we engage with central banks across the world, we think it's really important for CBDCs to be integrated into the payment ecosystem. But, of course it is. So, there it is. There it is. This doesn't really help us with our money, but, man, this is the biggest story of the fucking day. And the next one I'm about to read you. These were the two biggest of the day. So we'll stick with this one for a second. So what they're doing is it's a pilot project just with Crypto.com for now on the Ethereum network. So, bang! Look, Ethereum hodlers. Look. Ethereum sucks, Shomari. Ethereum sucks. Really? Well, why do all these companies to keep building shit on it? Fortune 500, you fuckstick. EOS is the Ethereum killer, Shomari. I don't see any Fortune 500s on that piece of shit. But it has more transactions. Look, buddy. What makes something better is something that's sold more. Right? Is being used more. Now, by your standards, EOS might be better, faster, stronger. Who knows? Yeah, but according to corporate America and the rest of the corporate world, not so much. But Shomari, Ethereum is so expensive, the gas prices. Yeah, well, if you're a big corporation, you don't give a fuck about $5-10 here or there, do you? Yeah, that's your broke ass, because you're a broke fuck. You got to count pennies. If I'm a major corporation, you know, a couple pennies here or there doesn't hurt me, does it? I don't give a fuck about that. So look, keep it in perspective. Keep it in perspective, and don't let these crypto nerds decide for you what is good and what is not. Let the markets tell you what's good and what's not. What's being used? VeChain, IOTA, Ethereum, bang, Stellar, Chainlink, to the rescue. Oh, that's what's good. That's what's good. This is better than Chainlink, really? Because Chainlink is onboarded 300 customers. How much is that piece of shit onboarded? No, that's what I thought. A fraction, and a minuscule fraction at that. The market tells you what's the best thing by what's being used. And that's why that's the kind of shit you got to have in your portfolio, folks. Because when smart money gets here, yeah, well, they're going to buy it what's being used. They're not buying shit on a fancy website and white paper. No, sir. That's not how it's going to go down. And you'll be left behind. So make sure that you're, I mean, you guys who've been here with me, you guys know. But if you're new to this channel, that's what this channel is about. Making sure that what you have in your portfolio, you know, has revenue generating product. You know? And, is a revenue generating company. Because that's what's going to be invested in by the big money when they get here. And they're going to get here soon. We've already got 8 cryptos on the Bloomberg terminal. Oh yeah. And it's only going to grow, so get in before you're priced out. Speaking of getting priced out, all right, we'll do that at the shout-outs maybe if I remember. Yeah. I'm going to start a Shomari Portfolio 2.0. I'm going to tell you about that if I remember. But I'm going to tell you about it one day for sure, but if I remember, I'll tell you today. But let's get to the next story. Bang! CME launching micro Bitcoin futures in May. So bang! The Chicago Mercantile Exchange. Chicago Mercantile Exchange is basically the New York Stock Exchange of derivatives in America. Derivatives are contracts that derive their value from an underlying asset. So in this case, the underlying asset is bang! Bitcoin. And then bang! Here's the futures contract. I buy that futures contract. And then as Bitcoin goes up, so does the value of my contract. If Bitcoin goes down, so does the value of the contract, right? So it's not just, you know, and that's how it goes. It follows the price of Bitcoin. I don't know if these are cash settled or physically settled. But, you know, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, like I just said, is the New York Stock Exchange of America derivatives. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know, that's how it is, you know. It's you know, all the derivatives contracts and shit. Like, I'm a Forex trader. I'm sure I'm getting price feeds from the CMEs, where my price feeds are probably coming from for my platform, for my trading platform. Because I'm a derivatives trader. Forex trader. Forex is derivatives. All right, so let's check it out. Derivatives exchange giant CME Group is launching micro Bitcoin futures on May 3rd. All right, so just over a month from now, subject to regulatory review. Yeesh, regulatory review. Don't worry, they'll get it because they already have regular futures, so they're going to get the micro futures. So the micro Bitcoin futures will be 1/10 the size of one Bitcoin and are aimed at providing a cost-effective way to Bitcoin exposure. So for people who don't have so much money, right? CME already offers Bitcoin futures since December 2017, and that's why these are going to get approved, because they've already been doing this since 2017, and is one of the top venues in the crypto derivative space. Since the launch of our Bitcoin futures contract in 2017, we've seen steady, ongoing growth of liquidity and market participation in our crypto derivatives, especially among institutional traders, said Tim McCourt, CME Group's global head of equity index and alternative investment products. These guys have long titles, right? The introduction of micro Bitcoin futures responds directly to demand for smaller sized contracts from a broad array of clients and will offer even more choice and precision on how participants can trade regulated. But what did I tell you to remember? Remember the word I say. Bang! Regulated. That should trigger you right there every time I say the word regulated, meaning bang! Hedge funds, banksters can all come and play with it. Whenever I say the word regulated product, whenever I'm reading a product to you and it says regulated, well, that means big money approved. Well, sorry, that means government approved. Big money can come play. That's the way to say that. So these are regulated. Obviously, it's the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So it can trade regulated Bitcoin futures in a transparent and efficient manner at CME Group. This year so far, CME has seen 13,800 Bitcoin futures contracts, equivalent to about 69,000 Bitcoin traded on average each day. The exchange also launched in Ethereum futures last month, and those have seen 767 contracts traded, equivalent to 38,400 Ether on an average day since the launch. Oh, so back. Yeah, so very successful indeed. And so look, here we go. More futures contracts, regulated futures contracts. Means the big boys can come play. The big dogs can come play. The hedge funds can take their futures trading desk and get themselves some goods. This is more of a show about, a story about the professionalization of the cryptocurrency market, right? Like like I said, regulated investment vehicles are being built and being launched almost on a daily basis. All right, so let's move on. But what we got? Grunstable. Bye. Well, look at Kong. Oh, Kong's fucking real happy right here. Oh, Tropic Thunder. I know, the goodie room thing. I'd play it for you guys, but YouTube gives me copyright. I played it for you last time, and I got a copyright trouble. I got in trouble. They gave me trouble. They were like, look, you used copyright material. Don't do it again. So I would play it right now because it's my favorite scene of the whole movie, but I can't. So look, but Kong. Wow. But of course I'd play it for you. I know every word of it. That's the best scene of the movie, but if I play it with the sound on, I get in trouble. Right? Every time I play it when Kong does it, Kong doesn't have the sound on it, right? So, like this one right here. See how Kong said, "Welcome to the goodie room." G5. Oh, G5 player. Yeah, new plane. Oh, yeah, we were talking about the planes we were going to buy. I was talking with Lorna and what kind of plane she wants to get. Yeah, she's like talking to me about, yeah, let's see who has the best interior. Like, what? Who the fuck does she? What the fuck? That's the spirit, Lorna, because she's all in. So, but anyways, back to the thing, though. All right, so when he does these, right, see, it doesn't have sound, right? So I don't get in trouble playing this. But when I play it with sound, then I get in trouble. Or I'd play that for you because that's my favorite part of the whole movie. All right, let's move on. Soul Brother. This guy's kind of funny. I did look at his thing earlier. Because Seoul, he has it spelled Seoul, is in the city Seoul, South Korea. I don't know, but he's kind of trying to sound like a black guy. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I hope you join a brother in the lounge on Twitch. Stay posted for when I go live. Irie vibes. All right. And then he's got Irie vibes. So that's like Jamaican. You know, I'm Jamaican, so. Anyway, soul brother, you're an interesting cat. Love the Zebra the bar. Benjamin, love the Zebra, connecting the dots. Bang. Lorna, all in downs. Yeah, this is the girl I was talking about. I was like, yeah, I just want to buy a little bit of property and get a plane. She's like, yeah, I want a plane too. We're going to have to compare who's got the best interior on our planes. Like, oh, hey, yeah, settle down. Yeah. Yeah. All right, Lorna. Well, we will. And I know I'm going to have the best cabin configuration, but this is Lorna. She's back. Look. All in, fuck sticks. All in, fuck sticks. So watch out. Yeah, she might just have that straight flush. Bitch. Lorna, all in downs. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. Yes. Sloppy. Love it. See you, brother. Bang. Oh, yeah, this thing's sloppy sent. So, this thing lid, I don't know, I guess they got hacked. And all right, so let me just read about sloppy for what he said. If you hold, I think he wanted to say, if you hold lid, you'd best check this out. And it's true, like, yo, man, this protocol, one of their main developers got hacked. And they stole the private key from the guy. And they stole all the money for this thing lid. So they can't do anything anymore. And so actually they're just closing down. So if you're a lid hodler, you better liquidate immediately. All right. Bye. What do we got? Grunstable. Lorna. What's Lorna talking about? Visa now. Oh, the Visa thing. Yes, Lorna. Yes, indeed, Lorna. That's what we just read. Bye. It's only for one company, though. Settle down, everybody. Settle down. KJ Gatsby, led by the T brother. Bye. Che Vizo. What's this guy doing now? Oh, he's just going full VeChain on us? Yeah. What is? Hold on, let me look at it. I accept VeChain. Oh, is that him in a shirt? Fucking right. I have a little fence right outside of my house. I should put like a QR code and see if people just donate some VeChain for me. Look, Chief. And that's what it is. I mean, that's what he is. VeChain Master, VeChain Hodler, VeChain Killer. For the Paskuyaki tribe, that's how those tribesmen do. Oh, yeah. Coming to get you with the VeChain. Love you, Chief. See you, Chief. Bye. All right. Oh, there's everybody. All right. Good. DP Entertainment. Look. Soul brother. Love the Sea brother. Bye. Papa Doc. Love the Sea brother. Bye. Miguel G. Started this Twitter account just to follow me. Love the Sea brother. Bye. Sunny B. Spy Lady. Yours. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bye. Spy Lady. How you doing, Spy Lady? How's that money coming? Should be nice now. You've been around here for a long, long time. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. A double portion. You get a double portion and bang. And this fuckstick right here, he gets a, look, see you, wrong cash. Look, bang. Look, bang. Look, bang. Got you, wrong cash. Son of a bitch. Yes. Unlike the love Sonny B gets, airdrop it gets a bang, bang, bang. Son of a bitch. That's his treatment. Yes. He can take it. He's a killer. Love brother. See you, brother. No savior. Bang. He can handle it. Don't worry. Andrew Chada. Love brother. See you, brother. Bang. Oh, what'd he say? No IKEA catalogs around these parts. Daggone right. Let me tell you something, guys. Now's not the time to letting any IKEA catalogs or any of that kind of shit, Bed Bath & Beyond or anything up in your house now. Not when your wife knows you're making money. I mean, if you were smart, she doesn't know. But I'm sure she does know, because if you were just investing in it, she'd be wondering where the fuck the money was going. So you had to tell her. So look, keep your place, keep your home IKEA free, and you'll probably be yap free. I'll tell you what you got to do, brothers. Look, you got to take control of Look, you got to take control of your household. You know, like when you're a parent, right? And you get the kid the laptop, but the kid, you have what's called parent controls, right? So you block, sex, porno, violence, no, so your kids can't see that stuff, right? That's what you got to do with your wife. You got to get on her laptop and put on parent controls, right? No shopping, no wedding dresses, no, look, you know what I'm saying? Anything to do with retail purchases. Anything to do with retail purchases, bang, you got to block her. You can't let her see it. Can't let her see that. Because now she knows you're making money, right? Right? Like back in 2018, you were losing the money. She was yapping that you're losing the money. So you had to tell, look, settle down, bang, right? Shut up, wife. I'm about that whole life, right? Bye. Get out of here. Now, though, now she thinks you're a fucking genius. And now she's begging for money, right? Right? New kitchen, new bathroom, new shit like that, right? You can't win, brothers. You're losing money? Yap. You're making money? Yap. That's just a bunch of yap. Bye. The fuck? Look, settle down. You got to tell her, look. When it's time, I'll tell you. Don't yap to me about that area. So, but what you got to do is you got to block all the IKEA, the IDOMO, Bed Bath & Beyond. All of it. Any retail venue from her internet capabilities. And, you'll be all right for, you'll last a little while. She'll probably head over to a girlfriend's house. Hey, Susie, can I use your laptop? Johnny, you're Johnny. Johnny, you're Johnny. Johnny locks me out of all the shopping sites. She'll find a way around, but you should be good for a few weeks, boys. So lock her down. And keep that money growing. Love you, Andrew. Love you. See you with the bang. That's a tip. I mean, I'm not a married man, but if I was, that's how it'd be. Look, sweetie, give me that laptop. I have to make some adjustments to this motherfucker. I'm going to have to make a few upgrades to it for you. Look. I don't want to hear none of that yap. Abundantly me. Love brother, see you, brother, and the kid. Bang. In fact, just give me the laptop, sweetie. Bang. Just throw that right in the pool. Get the fuck out of here with that shit. Settle down. Go paint your toenails. Nah, I'm just kidding. Anyway, Radster, because you got to have a laptop, or else she'll just be bugging you all day. The laptop babysits her. All right, guys. Radster, Liberal, see brother, hold down the insurgency in Prague. Bang! Our Eastern European insurgency. And speaking of insurgency, bang! This is our Canadian insurgent captain right here. General Sloppy McFartsack. Look! Liberal, see brother. Bang! Oh, yeah, holding down the insurgency in Canada. Yes. All our sleeper cells sprinkled across Canada. He's our main, he's the main captain. He's the main general. He commands the troop up north. Look, technically bullish. Love the sea brother. Bark. We have an insurgency? Yes, we do. Wars cost money. What do you think we're doing this for? Dang on. Dino Jankovic. This is the guy who invented the words Noah Fest. Love you, Dino. See you, Dino. Bang. Glad to see you again. Bang. Yeah, he's a friend of 007 and Van Breeden. Love you, Dino. See you, Dino. Bang. That's everybody, isn't it? What do we got? Yeah, that's it. Oh, there. Oh, and there's the miscreant himself. Van Breeden. Is today? Today's not a Van Breeden day. But Van Breeden. Love you, see you, brother. And Kitty Van Breeden. Bang. Love you, Van Breeden. Bang. Love you, brother. Bang. Yeah, today's not a Van Breeden day. What 007 say? Oh, he's talking to some girl. Hi, Yolanda Bolton. We don't use all these technical tools either. People should learn to understand that fancy platforms and flashing tools are meant to get your money into the system. Fundamental analysis first, and TA at the very last to pull the trigger. Exactly. I mean, that's how real trading works, guys. You do the analysis on the asset first. And then if it seems like a worthwhile investment, then at the very last minute, we open up the charts and look for the entry order. Buy low, sell high. Yes. I already banged it because that was too good. I couldn't wait for that one. Bah! Oh, there's J-Well. This is the guy who gave us the words. Shut up, wife. I'm about that whole life. Yeah, that's this guy J-Will right here. Love the Zebra, the Bye. One of the originals. J-Will. Where is it? 007 right here. Fucking Van Breenen. Fucking Michelle. Where's Michelle? Where's Michelle again? Where'd Michelle Jankovic go? Holy, he disappeared. What the fuck? Yeah, those are the originals. Those guys were here with me from the very, 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 very beginning of this channel. Oh, there he is. Dino Jankovic, my bad. Bang, right? Original. Bang, original. Bang, original. And this guy, bang, original. All right. Those were some special bangs for the originals. All right, that's enough. What do we got? Stefan, Lever the Zebra. Bang, bang. There you go, with your picture. Robbie Hardaway, Lever the Zebra. Bang. What's Lorna talking about here? A Uniswap version NFT sold, blah, blah, blah. Oh, NFT sold. All right, great. Bang. All right, let's move on. Let's get back to the bang. Let's get back to the bang. Let's get back to the Death Star. Yes. Bang. Look. All right, so we had a great show for you today. Of course we did. How couldn't we? It's the greatest show in the multiverse. Look, it's only greatness. That's how it is. It's how it is. Someone's got to do it, you know what I mean? Someone's got to drink the fuel, talk the talk, smoke the smokes, talk the shit. Make the money. You know, someone's got to make the millions, you know? I volunteered. You know? What are you doing, Shomari? Oh, nothing. Just making a couple million with a couple people here, you know? Nothing much. What are you doing? Oh, going to that Chinese restaurant. Good for you. Yeah, that's how it goes, brothers. Got to ask yourself, what'd you do with your life? Well, what'd you do with yourself, Shomari? Well, helped a couple hundred people get to be millionaires. How about you? What'd you do the past couple of years? Wow. Snorting coke off bitches' tits. How productive. All right, so let's just go on. So look, let's go with the stories of the day. VeChain. Onboards Ubitquity for the title industry. And so I told you, man, when it comes to real estate, all real estate is going to be on a blockchain one day. All of it, all around the world, every last inch of it. You'll see. Every last inch. They want to know who owns every inch. And that's what they're going to do. I mean, I don't know if they're going to use VeChain to do it, but I think blockchain in general. Well, I know blockchain is going to do that. Is going to be used for that around the world. Hopefully VeChain, since I own it. All right. But for this particular story, VeChain onboards Ubitquity for title industry. And so, awesome, interesting. I'd like to know what country they're flexing this in. We didn't, it didn't tell us what country. It just said what they're going to do. Okay, great. What country, you fuck? Are we talking, is this in America or is this in Guatemala, motherfucker? Like, you know what I mean? Like, come on. So I hate about these crypto sites. They leave out a lot of pertinent information. There's a lack of due diligence in this whole space. I tell you that. Don't worry. Once Bloomberg and stuff start covering the crypto market properly, we'll be good. We won't have to do any of these shitty little crypto sites anymore. Anyway, so VeChain hodlers, buy! Just another onboarding. You know how VeChain do? You know how VeChain be? You know how VeChain get down? Use case. And they're expanding. I think they're going to do some, what is it? Is it distributed apps or smart contracts? Right? Plus some NFT stuff. Now they're just getting stupid with it. So, and it's a working product. DNVGL are part owners. PricewaterhouseCoopers are part owners. So, come on, fuckstick. I mean, look. It's still not too late to get more VeChain, I don't think. Personally, I think VeChain is a buy until 10 cents. We're getting close. Because I think it's going to go to $1. My price target is $1 on it. And so 10 cents makes it 10 times more what you put in. Now, throw in a 10-piece chicken on it and, bang. Look, because that's now you have to do that. Now it's expensive. When we were first buying VeChain back in 2018 and 19, this shit was 0. A third of a penny. Anyway, so look, buying VeChain hodlers. Yes. And then Visa to settle transactions with USDC. Now, they're only settling it right now for crypto.com. So don't get too crazy. It's not like Visa is, settling USDC for every transaction everywhere in the world or anything. It's just this one company, crypto.com. But it's a pilot project, so they want to test it out just to see how it works, right? How to do it, work out the kinks, blah, 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 pilot project. And so, but obviously they're pushing towards that way. And as the article said, CBDCs are going to be a reality one day. And so Visa wants to be ready for when that happens, right? They want to be ready, and they want to be ready in the digital asset space. In other words, this crypto stuff, but also the CBDC stuff. Federally reserved, issued money, real money, and So, like the article said, they want to position themselves in the market. That's what this channel is all about: market positioning. Market positioning. Market positioning for what? For a fucking tsunami of money that's coming, buddy. That's why we're building a cryptocurrency warehouse big. But that's why we're building it strong. And that's why we're filling it with working product. Because there's a daggone tsunami of institutional money that's on the way. As soon as the regulations come. And so, Visa's doing the same thing. They're positioning themselves, their company, for when CBDCs come and when regulations come and stablecoins start getting used all over the place. So, yeah, it doesn't really help us in terms of our money, but it was the hugest, the biggest, the story of the day. So, I had to read it. So, bang! I don't really give a fuck about shit like this. Stablecoin crap. But, all right, so then finally, CME launches micro Bitcoin futures. Bang! There you go. Another investment vehicle. Regulated investment vehicle. Regulated means what? Yes, that the institutions can come and play with it. And that's what we need. Regulated investment vehicles. And that's what the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME, is about to launch. Micro Bitcoins. So each are valued at 1/10 of a Bitcoin, it said. So for smaller players, which is good because you don't want people to be priced out of stuff, right? So great. So a soccer mom and dad could get these futures, right? Or, like a guy like me, I trade Forex from home. Well, a home futures trader can trade this, right? A guy who's not going to buy a futures contract for a whole Bitcoin because he can't afford it. But yeah, 1/10 of a Bitcoin is what, 5 G's? Oh yeah, if you're a home futures guy, if you're a guy at home trading futures from home, yeah, well, you probably have I don't know how big your portfolio is, but you can afford it. And if you want in, now you can afford to get in. And so they're servicing the lower end market in terms of capital, and which is great. Which is great. So that's it. So let's chill it and kill it. Bang! Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang! So subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Look! In the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang! Love talking crypto. Bang! This is the favorite time of my day. So, thanks for having me in your home. And I will see you tomorrow for another fun fact, crypto-filled day of cryptoness. So, until then, subscribe there, press the bell. Bye! Watch that video here. Bang! Greatest in the multiverse. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, my name's Shomari Clarke, and I am always watching on money. And look, I am always on duty. I'm a Forex trader. That's how it goes. Bang! Yes. Over and out.